So what we did is we put wheels on the unit so that it was easy to get it underneath the bin. One person can put the straps on. I like to put the wheel side facing the back, or the opposite of where you'll be putting your auger in. You should be able to do it with one hand. Just lift up, hook up the strap, and then it's got a over centering strap, so there isn't even a need to use a ratchet strap. So I like to get them close in length when I'm setting them up there, but you know, it's not a big deal. And then walk around to the other side and lift it up till it's level and tighten it up in the back. And if for some reason you've got one side too tight or too loose, you know, you can do your self adjustment after the fact.